Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Commerce Objective Past Question 17. Maintaining a favorable relationship between an organization and the general public means A. Consumer education, B. Consumer protection, C. Public relations, D. Sales promotion, E. Social responsibility of a business. So the question asks what it means to maintain a favorable relationship between an organization and the general public. So let's take a look at each of the options. Now, consumer education refers to the preparation of an individual to be capable of making informed decisions when it comes to or in purchasing. Now, consumer protection refers to the practice of safeguarding buyers of goods and services. So safeguarding buyers and the public against unfair practices in the market. Now, option C, which is public relations, refers to the maintenance of a favorable relationship between a company or organization and the public. Option D, which is sales promotion, refers to a short-term incentive to initiate trial or purchase. And then lastly, social responsibility of a business refers to conducting business ethically. So from the definitions we have given, you see that public relations, which is option C, refers to maintenance of a favorable relationship between a company and the public, and as is stated in the question, so the correct answer is C, public relations. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.